The American dream still exists, just not for most people. I'm going to show you why it feels harder to get ahead, even when you're doing everything right. And I'll do it with one simple reveal. What things cost versus what most people get paid. Housing reality. In 1970, the typical home cost a few years of the typical salary. Today, it's closer to a decade. Rent used to be a stepping stone. Now it's a treadmill. You pay more just to stand still. A one-bedroom that ate 25% of income? Now it takes 40%, sometimes 50% before you even turn on the lights. The down payment used to be a plan. Now it's a math problem that doesn't solve. Income versus cost. Wages did rise, but slowly. Costs sprinted. Groceries up, childcare up, health insurance up. College? That's not up. That's orbital. Average raise? Maybe 3%. Rent jump? 10%. Rent jump? 15%. Rent jump? 20%. Do that 2 or 3 years in a row, and the raise vanishes. It's not that you're bad with money. It's that the math moved the goalposts. The debt trap. You borrow to keep life stable. Student loans to get the job. Car loan to get to the job. Credit to cover the gap between Tuesday and Friday. Then interest compounds like a shadow tax. 19% APR on a card means a $1,000 emergency becomes a $1,400 reality next year. Buy now, pay later isn't a hack. It's a time machine that sends your paycheck to last month. Inflation psychology. When prices jump, we don't just spend more. We expect to spend more. So we buy faster. We accept worse deals. Businesses feel it too. They test higher prices. We swallow them. And the new normal sticks. Meanwhile, social media sells an endless feed of "you should be here by now." But you're comparing your life to a highlight reel shot on credit. Generational frustration. Older folks say, "We did it." True. But their entry price was lower. Cheaper homes, cheaper degrees, lower debt loads. Same effort, different outcome. That's not laziness. That's leverage. Follow for more informative videos. Subscribe to The Quiet Economy.